Okay. So now on to what the course entails. Um, I will not be giving you a formal outline simply because I want you to make an outline for me. Eventually, that's part of the assessment and that consolidates the entire course up for you. Those of you who studied with me before know that this is something that I do. Secondly, what is the course? The course is going to start off and it's going to be based on a document that completely revolutionized my life when I was in my postgraduate, towards the end of my postgraduate year, and when I thought, okay, fine, this is maybe going to be my postdoctoral thesis, like this is going to be my PhD would be in this particular topic. And that was the understanding of institutions by an economist that can only be like is Douglas North. Okay. I'm going to circulate this particular Nobel Prize winning lecture to all of you. It's very readable. And the way I started it out last year was that, oh, now I missed that time. We had actually, so the way I give a reading is कि मैं आपको document दे दूँगी और जब आप लोग class में आते हो तो all of you are going to read out about, or you're going to start off from the beginning of the topic and you're going to give me एक word होता है तशरीह, जिसकी क्या कहते हैं तशरीह को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Summary is small. Tashri is explanation. So an explanation of the first 3 lines. So whoever would be starting out, so if there were 40 people in the class, so student 1 would explain to me the first 3 lines, student 2 the first, the next 3 lines, student 3 the next 3 lines, and I kid you not, we probably in one class would not get through more than 5 lines of that particular document. ठीक है? तो इसी तरह हम एक बहुत बड़ा piece of document, a piece of writing, we kind of dissect it, we analyze it, we understand it in the context of our academics. Institutions are, I don't want to tell you what institutions are, you will tell me what institutions are because that's part of the assignment. Okay? So we will study institutions from what Douglas North calls institutions and how he understands what his understanding of institutions is, formal institutions and informal institutions. Apart from that, I want you to understand markets. I cannot stress this enough that markets are what determine the functioning of the institution. So institutions are there, and then whether the institution is functioning at a level which we understand to be a normative हो रही हूँ थोड़ा सा, maybe is it a good well functioning institution or is it no, I sound so नहीं. So see, my whole understanding is that it has to be contextualized. The understanding of a market and the understanding of the way an institution or a bureaucracy, जिसको भी हम institution कहते हैं, वो किस तरह function कर रहा है, has to be in the context of where you've been in time and space. So it is a lateral as well as a longitudinal study of how a particular market functioning will lead to a particular institution developing. You can ask me at this point कि मैम कौन सी market? Goods market, money market, financial markets, exports, imports markets, exchange rate market, the stock market, which I'm not a big fan of, simply because I believe she's like a fickle girlfriend who doesn't, and I'm sorry if I'm being gender biased here, a fickle partner who's, I think this is that year, 2021 can be that year when I let go of this analogy in terms of a gender, but actually it's that particular partner that you don't know what makes that particular partner happy, what makes them happy. So sometimes you see the stock market will respond so it'll respond and it'll get all kinds of ecstatic, and the only problem is if we just understand that the stock market is just this little thing in the corner and that we don't need to put all our eggs in one basket and all our judgments based on how the stock market feels today. It's a fickle market. It gets tickled by, the wind blowing the wrong way or, and then it gets put off by something which is not structural in nature. A chota sa event which could just be something which is actually very endogenous to your model. So let's talk about our own country. We've had terrorist attacks in the past. Now that terrorist attack in a particular small, I'm not, please understand कि मैं इस वक्त एक बड़ा scientific point of view से इसको emotion को side पे रख के अगर बात करें तो that particular terrorist attack is something for all intents and purposes, in terms of the structural nature, will definitely be sort of permeating at the infrastructure level. It will definitely permeate at the, at the psychological level. How do people respond to this attack? But what that attack does is it causes your stock market to crash, and that stock market, I don't believe my stock market should be able to demonstrate the entire health of my economy. आप समझ रहे हो इस बात को? तो मेरा ख्याल से हम बहुत ज़्यादा ओनस डाल देते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट्स के ऊपर. इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन फर्दर, वी कैन टेक इट अप, बट फॉर ऑल इंटेंट्स एंड पर्पसेस आई विल नॉट टीच यू how the stock market behaves. That's one, I'm not an expert in it. Two, I don't think it's that big a variable. हमारी पूरी GDP के अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो I think physical exports and imports, tangible exports and imports के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करना important है, as opposed to a market which is just a very small percentage of economic activity, which is also very sort of, by the way, led by एक oligopoly nature की उसकी market है. Again, not my area of expertise. वो है ना, not my circus, not my monkeys. It is my circus, but this particular monkey we will study if we have time, or if you can talk to me one on one. So for all of you out there, we're starting off. I'm throwing you into the deep end. I'm going to circulate the document. You're going to submit to me little answers on in. आप लोगों को सबको decide कर लो कि मैं कौन कौन से पार्ट्स पे कर रहा हूँ. There will be a lot of argument going forward. I miss my classroom, so what we can do is for the talk for the when. Okay, what do I have to say? Yeah, for the times when you have to let me know, or you have to talk to me, we will do that particular session interactive online. ठीक है? And we'll figure out the semantics along the way. Rest, I hope this was somewhat of a productive exercise for you. Thank you so much for all the sort of appreciation into what the assignment that was set earlier was supposed to be. ठीक है? Please make sure that you submit to me all the work that we are doing, and for that you need to have a notebook. This is my trusty handy notebook from, I've been using it since last year, since we went into the lockdown. But I want one notebook dedicated to me. That will be your submission. आपका जो आपने काम किया है, apart from जो assignments वगैरह तो चलो फिर भी एक printable होती हैं, but जो काम कर रहे हो इसमें notebook में अपने डालते जाओ कोई. And by the way, the notebook can be any notebook. Doesn't have to be this notebook. ठीक है? अच्छा. Any word that has come out of my mouth, you need to go and look it up in the 3 textbooks that I've given to you. Even if then you don't understand what it was, ask me, or you can check on the internet. And if then you don't understand me, ask me. Understand that what I did to you last week, I just took you and I just threw you into the deep end of the pool. Okay? And there were lifeguards around and everything, but very few of you asked for help, which is so great. The one of you who did is like, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा किधर जा रहा है कोर्स. सो गुड. नहीं समझ आ रहा तो फिर और ट्यून इन करोगे और सोचोगे कि क्या हो क्या रहा है, लेकिन आ जाएगा समझ. ठीक है? I don't think I have time to answer a lot of questions. I have time, however, that we ask more questions. ठीक है? So take care.